Just want to take a minute here, talk to y'all about our roof washing service. What we have right here is Johnny, who is on this roof. He is spraying it with a cleaning solution. The pump that he's using actually maxes out at 60 psi, and it is a stronger cleaning solution. So he's up there doing that. I'm down here watering the ground. I'll get back to that in just a second. But I wanted to show you the process. You see the dark, black, nasty growth over here. That's what the roof looked like beforehand, and you'll see a little bit of it here, and then over here you can see the whiter, lighter, and right here all that nice light stuff. That is a reaction from our cleaning solution on the roof. Again, 60 psi, less than a garden hose is what we're using to clean roofs. What that does for us, right, is it actually is going to kill the organic growth and build up. So that white foaming action is a reaction from the cleaning solution with the organic growth on that roof, and it's going to kill it, it's going to eat it up, and the next rain is going to rinse it all away. It's going to be taken care of. Now, to take care of that, to make sure that we're not hurting anything, to make sure that we're doing landscape mitigation, when we do roof cleaning, it's always with two people. I'm down here cleaning and rinsing with pure clean water everything on the ground, all the landscaping, the nice hedges we've got over here, some flowers on the other side of the house. We wet it down real well beforehand, and then that way our clean solution is diluted, and we continue to rinse it the entire process. And we run a neutralizer on the roof, so on all of the plants, a neutralizer and fertilizer that's liquid, that's made for this purpose on all the plants. We do that at every house wash, we do that at every roof wash that we do, and so your plants and your property are safe, and you have some peace of mind about that. But also, we're going to add years and years of life to your roof clean, your shingles, by making sure that mold and the mildew and the algae on the roof don't eat the roof. So shingles, that black mold that you see up there, right here, all this black gunk, same thing here. All that is it's a mold or a mildew called Glioxapsa. Some folks call it Glioxapsa. At the end of the day, what it does is it eats shingles. So all the stones, the little sands, fine powders, we call it a shingle grit, that are on your shingles, if you've ever held a shingle, is going to be the nutritional source for that mold. So that's an interesting fact that a lot of folks don't know. That's the nutritional source for that mold, and so the mold gets on the roof, and the mold actually eats through the shingles because of it. So this is the easiest, the safest, most certain way to clean a roof. We're going to make your roof last longer because we're going to maintain their structural integrity by killing this mold. So this is actually the manufacturer's recommended cleaning method for shingles. And again, I just want you to see, look, no pressure that we're using here. Let's see if I can't zoom in a little bit. There we go. No pressure. Just applying the cleaning solution very lightly, minimal runoff, and keeping those shingles in good shape. And the cleaning solution does the work. It's like being in the shower, folks. You get in the shower, you don't blast yourself with high pressure. You apply soap, you let it do its work, and then you're done. And then you rinse it off. So what we do is we just don't rinse our soap, and when we don't rinse it, that means it gets to work for a longer period of time. So I'm going to get back to rinsing the ground here, but I just wanted to make that short little video informing you all about roof cleaning.